Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to fix the problem of the Adobe Lightroom not syncing with the cloud. Now this problem occurs pretty regularly and the fix is surprisingly simple. You just have to close the app and then restart your computer and reopen it, but you have to pause the syncing. So I'll show you how to do that. Now first open your Lightroom. Maybe you will see that some presets or some files are missing because they're in the cloud and not syncing up. So just go to the top right corner in the cloud here. You will find it here that it's syncing. Let's say resume syncing. Here you will have it like that. So it's synced and backed up, or it will be in syncing. So just go here, click on this, and then post syncing, just say indefinitely. Okay. And then click on that again, and then close your Lightroom, and then go here and just restart your computer. Now I will not restart it for the tutorial, but you get the idea. So just restart it, and then once you have restarted your computer, just open again Lightroom and just wait for it to be open. And here we'll find the cloud button that's still pausing. So just go here and resume syncing immediately. And that's it basically. That's the easiest solution that I have found. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.